Welcome to our pop-up postal boxes range. This category is ideal for companies looking to be as efficient as possible and to dispatch items in the most sustainable way. Pop-up postal boxes are up to 5 times as fast to assemble as standard postal boxes, meaning you can dispatch 5 times the volume of orders that you could with exactly the same team. This is ideal for companies with really big peak seasons looking to scale up without adding overhead, for companies looking to run as efficiently as possible and minimize their overheads. In addition to being really efficient, these items are all fully climate neutral, with scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions offset, meaning that all of the carbon associated with manufacturing, distribution, and end of life cycle and recovery for these products is offset, making them a truly sustainable solution. They're also made with paper from FSC approved sources. They're all fully recyclable and plastic free, and they come with paper cut proof edges to help minimize harm to your team and minimize downtime. They also have a peel and seal natural gum closure and a tear out strip, making them frustration free for your customers. They really are brilliantly engineered products. There are 6 ranges in here, 4 key ranges and 2 specialists, so I want to take you through them to help you make the right choice. First up, we have the module boxes. There are 5 sizes of the module boxes, and they are slightly faster to assemble than normal postal box, giving you the advantages of that normal 0427 postal box design, which is double walls on the side and front, meaning there's very good protection against crushing, obviously with a peel and seal and a tear open strip. So those are our module boxes. We then also have the Euro boxes, which is a really interesting range. There are 28 sizes of Euro boxes, all of which tessellate, and that helps you minimize your outbound cube and wasted air in the supply chain, which is fantastic for the environment because it minimizes wasted space in dispatch vehicles. The footprint associated with the material of packaging is far less than the footprint associated with moving it around. So if we can all right size our packaging, then we can make a huge difference. So Euro boxes allow you to do that by creating 28 sizes that really tessellate. But in addition, they've put the crash lock assembly on the end of the box rather than the base, and they've used a very thin flute here, which means these boxes need 55% less material than some of the other boxes in the range. To illustrate the speed of using these, that's the assembly done. You put your item in, fold the sides in, peel and seal and close. That's one dispatch packed. So they really are super fast. And just to show you, this is the tear out strip for your customer so that they can access their goods in a very frustration-free way. So 28 sizes in the Euro box, really worth considering. The very fastest of all of the items is the instant bottom box. By putting the crash lock on the base, it means that handling is a little easier for your team. And instant bottom boxes come in 11 different sizes and really are super fast. That's the crash lock, pack your item, fold, peel and seal, job done. So those come in 11 great sizes and really are the fastest solution. We also have the variable depth box, which is the instant bottom box, but with pre-perforated and folded variable depths. Now, these are ideal for if you send 1, 2, or 3 of a certain item or have slightly variable dispatches, but don't want to stock lots of different packaging. The variable depth box allows you to avoid using void fill and make sure that your packages are as small and well conforming to the items you dispatch as possible, but without having to take loads of packaging SKUs and manage the stock level, etc. of those items. So that is the instant bottom box, but with the variable depth for CP141. There are also 2 specialist products in the range, which are the CP066 and 67 extra secure postal boxes. They are triple wall all round and are very secure for if you're sending high value items. And we also have our returns boxes, which have a dual peel and seal. For those companies that often receive a lot of goods back, they help you get your goods back in a great condition and make that customer experience easy. So that's our pop-up postal boxes range. They're a fantastic sustainable choice, and we've got some great features on this page to help you find the right items. You can filter by size. You can use our search by size filter, and you can use letterbox friendly filter to help you find the right items for you. If you've got any questions, we're on live chat Monday to Friday 9 till 5:30, and our phone number is available on our website, so you can give us a call anytime. We're the home of planet-friendly packaging in the UK, which means we help you find sustainable packaging materials at affordable prices and with a positive footprint. 1% of all of your spend with us will be given to charity in the checkout. You can choose which of those charities you use. And you can also protect 1,000 meters of rainforest with every order, so that you can buy packaging with a clean conscience and tell some great stories about the positive footprint that those choices are having. That's us at priorydirect.co.uk. We look forward to supporting you in the future. Thank you.